everyone, welcome to today's video. It's been a bit. I am aware I have had some things going on like a lot of other people. If you follow me on Instagram, you will know all about it, but we're not going to get into it because it took me a lot to sit down today. I had to bring my comfy clothes with me. My veneer on this tooth right here fell off and I had to basically like push it back in there, so hopefully it doesn't come out. So if I'm not like laughing the hardest in this, it's because I'm trying to not let my tooth fall out of my mouth. So how embarrassing would that be? Anywho, I've had a box of beauty products that I have been hoarding for months that have just been sitting there waiting to go over, but there's one thing that I have not opened that I have been so excited to open, that I wanted to open on camera because I have no idea how I'm gonna feel about it, and it's something from my childhood. I'm just so excited. So I'm gonna save that for last. I don't have too much stuff, and you'll kind of get an idea of when I purchased it by what it is, because I know it's like pretty popular stuff. Let's just get started. So mainly from Ulta and Sephora. So the first things are boring but necessity. Dr. Teal's Pure Epsom Salts. I got the Relax and Relief, which is the eucalyptus and spearmint, because love that one. And we've been taking a lot of baths lately, like a lot of people, just because. This one came from Ulta and it was ripped. So I emailed them and a couple days later they sent me out another bag. But this is the coconut oil one, and if you've never smelled the coconut oil one, it smells so good. I almost want to like leave this in my room because you can still smell it so much through the bag. It's like a little sachet because it just smells so good. So I got 3 of those, so that should be good for a while. Then, what did I get? Oh, this is not from Ulta or Sephora, but if you've been following me, you kind of know that I've been on this journey of trying to replace my disposable products. So I found this Mummy's Marvelous Makes in United Kingdom. She had I think it was like the first or second one when I typed in disposable face cottons or rounds on Etsy. And I just decided to try them because her prints are adorable. You can pick your print that you want, and I grabbed this one. It's like a little, I'm gonna try to get this to work today, but like a light blue bumblebee, which I just think is so stinking adorable. I love it. But if you can see the one side, you can pick between like a fleece and a like terry cloth material. They do have some shedding. So like, I don't know if you can see the stuff coming, like the cotton coming off of it, but after I washed it, it was perfectly fine. And I like the fact that it has like 2 sides, because this side is more of like a textured side, and then the other side is just your cotton, so it's a lot softer. And not to say this side isn't soft, but it just has a different texture to it. So I kind of like having both of those, and I have already washed it. They come out really good. Even mascara came off of it, and so far I really like them. So I will link that down below if you want to check that out. She's got all different kinds of prints too, so you can pick what you like, but I really am happy that I got those. What else do I want to share? This is kind of like silly, boring stuff. I'm kind of thinking like just leave this stuff out from now on, but I figured it's in the box, I might as well show it. There were some samples that I got from Sephora. This Tarte Big Ego. I love Tarte products, but I haven't heard the best reviews on this mascara, so I'm actually almost done with the one I have now. So I will be trying that out. And then I got a Versace, what is this? Parfum? I don't know how to say it. The Dylan Blue. I've never tried that before. Just like a little sample. And then they sent this incredible rollerball gloss. Be a roller, baby, and you're incredible. And rolling like a honey. It's just a cute little rollerball. And then, I got the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish powder, and I have this in my cart and it's ready to go, so I'm probably just going to get that. And then the birthday gift, which my birthday was in March, was the cream. So this was actually the first time I had it. I've smelled both of them in the store, but I've never had them. So of course you get the Boom Boom cream and the Coco Cabana cream. Unpopular opinion, I actually prefer this one much more than the other. So I am definitely planning on getting a big size of that and cannot wait for that. Then, oh my God, I was so happy to have this. This is a roller ball. Actually, is it a roller ball? I don't know if it is. It might be a little spray. It's a spray. This is a replica perfume. Okay. Replica of the By the Fireplace. If you have never smelled this, and you like that smoky scent, it literally, Frank said that he would start our burn barrel in the backyard and I could go stand next to it for a while and have the same scent, because this little bottle is $30. The big one is $130. I am getting the big one because this is gonna go so fast. This mixes with my body chemistry like, oh my God. When I was in Sephora and I tried this, I had it on my hand. It lasted until the next day, and all day long I just went, I could not stop, and it was so funny. I'm like, that's it, I have to have it. So I just got the small one, but it's so good. It's burning wood and chestnut. Unisex, it's amazing. You need to try it. These perfumes are amazing. This replica, so good. All right, what else did I get? Oh, this Buxom Vava Plump lipstick in a wine color. So just a little one. All right, next I got 2 palettes because they were on sale. The first one is no surprise. I've seen a lot of people getting this because it is on sale, but I picked up the Lunar Beauty Strawberry Dream color palette. It's still on Sephora for sale, but oh my God, look at this packaging. I took pictures outside with Kimmy's cherry tree, and it's so pretty. It's like, this is raised. It's probably hard to see that, but I haven't even swatched it yet because I don't even want to touch it because it's just so pretty. But for the sake of the video, let's just try a couple out. I'm so bad with swatches too, so you're just gonna have to forgive me. So we're going to swatch Blue Diamond Sweet Dream Ruby Skies. Can you see this? Horizon and Lightning. Well, let me do this. See how I can. I'm so bad at this, so don't yell at me. Okay, so this is Blue Diamond. Holy moly. Can you see that? This is Sweet Dream. I'm so bad at this. I don't know how these people do this all day. I'm so bad. Okay, Ruby Skies. That is so pigmented. Horizon. Oh my God. This is so pretty. Holy moly. And let me do one more. Oh my God. It's so pigmented. This is Lightning. Wow. Those are gorgeous. All right. Just out of curiosity, let's do the bright blue. Blue Sky. Holy moly. Wow. That is crazy. All right, so that's just a couple shades that are out of the palette. I cannot wait to play with that. This red or pink definitely stains. So, and this blue looks like it's kind of staining too. So just be aware. All right, so that's that palette. Then Ulta had the Naked Reloaded palette on sale, so I decided to grab that. I'm sure you've seen it. It has like this different kind of top to it or packaging. But I wanted this just because for the most part I like wearing neutrals and just stuff like basic looks for work because I can't go Lunar Beauty crazy with all those colors for work. So I have wanted this for a while, but let's do a couple swatches. Let's see. Let's do Angel Fire. So Angel Fire and Dreamweaver. I don't even know where I'm going. There we go. That's pretty. And Retro is the pink shade. That's really pretty too. It's like perfect for spring. Let's do one more. Let's do this like a basic. This is Boundaries. Boundaries is that one. So yeah, I'm happy I grabbed that. I know I will definitely get some good use out of it. So I think that was a good purchase on my part. That's that. Then I was tempted to get all of them, but I settled for just one. I picked up one of the little elf. These are like, these are so over by now. They're actually pretty much all in stock where it was really hard to get them before. But this is a Berry Bad one. So I just picked this one up just to kind of give it a try before I grabbed any more. So I'll just do those really quick so you can see them. That's the first one. The second one. The third one. If you can tell, I don't know if it's like, it's been really hard for me to sit here and film just because of what's going on. So please understand that. So here's the swatches for those. So that's really pretty. So another one for $3 I will definitely get some really good use out of. I still want the green one and the I forget what it's called, like Carnival or something like that. So I'm probably gonna get those two. And jalapeno, I think, was the green one. I still want those. So that was that. I think, no, how can I forget? Oh my God. This. I could not get this for the longest time. I wanted this so bad, and I wanted the lightest one, which was the Nabla Skin Glazing Ozone Highlighter. Look at how pretty this is if you have not seen this yet. They had it for 50% off on one of their sales, but I was on there at midnight or whatever time it was shortly after, and they were gone within whatever minutes. So I just wound up picking it up at full price because I didn't want to miss out on it. But oh, it's so pretty. I love it so much. So this is called Ozone. So let me do a swatch. It's so pretty. I haven't used it yet, but now that I'm doing this, I will. So it's just like, I know it's gonna look so good. But yeah, that is that. It's just gorgeous. So that was that. And the packaging is really cute too. It's pink. I'm just waiting to get into this package because, like I said, I have been waiting and waiting and waiting. Okay, let's do it. I'm curious if anybody remembers these. So I'm 36, and just a little quick story before I open it because it's just so exciting. When I was old enough to start walking up to the store with my friends, probably somewhere around Dominic's age, and I had like my own allowance money. Obviously it was not a lot, so I could walk up to the CVS that was just like kind of up the road from my house with my friends, and we could purchase like little things as we had money to do it. So of course you're always like looking for inexpensive things and whatnot. So this was something that I would buy because I loved it, and even if I bought it, I still would smell it and spray it every time I went in there, and they don't make it anymore, and they haven't made it for a really long time. And I was looking for it online for years, and whenever I would find one, it would be probably almost empty, and they wanted like $100-something for it. I don't have that kind of money. One night on Mercari, someone posted an almost full bottle for $19. I grabbed that thing up so fast. It's here. Let's open it. So I'm curious if anybody remembers these from my day. Oh my god. Oh, damn it. Sorry, I have a band-aid that came off. Come on, you're totally taking up my time. Oh my god. It's in here. I hope it smells the exact same way it did when I used to smell it. Oh my god. Juice Bar Gummy Bears. Do you remember these? They had a cotton candy one. They had a, oh, what was the other one? I forget what it was. But the Gummy Bears one was my favorite. And it says, do not eat this. I'm so anxious to see what it smells like, if it still smells the same. Oh my god. I can smell it a little bit. I mean, this is old. I can smell it just faintly. This is the, it says fragrance smoothie spray, so it's kind of like the lotion part of it. So it's actually like shoots out like a little Windex button type of thing, and then you spray it on yourself. It doesn't, it smells just very, very barely of it. It's so old. It's so old. Dang it, I was so excited. Oh my god. Oh my god. But just to have that with the little, just memories. I wish they still made this. They should totally make this again. So let me know if there's anything down below that you have been searching for from your childhood that you just cannot want, or you just want so bad that you can't find anymore. Alright, I'm gonna just see how it goes, but oh my gosh. It just very faintly has the smell. Maybe once it like dries down, it'll smell more. Alright, that's it. So I'm gonna give you my quote, and it's not like it's a positive one, but it's not like something out of that book that I've been hoarding and holding on to forever. Let me know if you know what this is from. It's like one of my all-time favorite sayings, and one day eventually it's going to get tattooed on my arm or somewhere. It can't rain all the time. So that is true. It cannot rain all the time. It can't rain all the time. So that's it. So anywho, I'm sorry I don't really have anything like crazy and new and exciting, but it's all stuff that I guess I would have had been holding on to for a while, so I hope you enjoy it. I have a huge candle empties coming up, another clean with me, and a couple other ideas of things that I've been working on that are more of like challenges. So if you like those, then you will like the ones that are coming up very soon. And I hope everyone has a great rest of your day. I will see you very soon in the next one. Bye.